Well, it's now GREE.
Oh yeah, it is halted.
Yeah, it's down damn near 42% overnight. Yeah,
I wonder who's still holding this. Let's go to AMC. AMC is
man.
also
I
gapping
hope
down.
I hope none of Marantz's and your viewers are holding that thing because it's ugly.
What's going on, Kevin? I can hear you. AMC could be coiled. Well, this was the pullback we were anticipating. I wasn't anticipating this much of a pullback, but hey, we got a 45 pullback.
I guess I could start your stream if I'm going to be on.
Huh?
I guess I could start up your stream if I'm going to be on it.
All right. It'll be a 10-hour live stream.
What's ugly, Almo? We're talking about Spurt slash GREE.
Ouch, AMC still coming down at open. I mean, yesterday, Stacks Law, is he here? No. We were talking about the price action or the dips here on AMC. He's like, what do you think it'll go to? I was like, I'll probably go to 47.20. It's at 45 right now. That's continued momentum. That's one thing we've noticed on AMC is when it drops, it drops. It doesn't have any minor pullback. It has like some really aggressive pullbacks, and it continues on to the next day. It won't like gap up or push up at pre-market. It'll continue to sink. What's going on, Monster?
Support's
Marantz is here.
Yeah, Morant support's not necessarily delisted. It's more of it's been converted over to GREE, who it merged with.
Amazon, ugly red candle. Another red day today or what? Let's see.
Yeah.
Spy. I'm gonna set alerts on Spy. Yesterday's though. I think we have on SpaceX flight today with Elon
Is it
Musk.
today?
I think it's today. I need to verify that.
You might be right. You might be right. That's the one that they're going out like 300 and some odd miles.
Yeah. What happened to Spurt? They merged, right?
Yeah, they merged into Greenidge or something like that. It's the new ticker is GREE.
Yes, a couple days ago we mentioned Win, right? WYNN.
WYNN.
And we
Yeah,
said it might be a good dip buy. Look at this.
no, they're all getting kicked in the teeth thanks to the CCP.
Yeah, we were talking about this like no, yeah, it was yesterday because it was under 100 already. Damn, this is literally a falling knife. Where do you catch this? Low 80s? It is today, says. Somebody said it is today. 8 p.m. Eastern. So it's 5 p.m. Pacific here. Pull up IRNT. That's the one you brought up yesterday, right?
Oh, he's been bringing it up for
Oh, you
days.
sucker. It's still going up.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, these short squeeze plays are no joke. This time around, there's more short squeeze plays than the first time with Clover and the Wendy's and Blackberry and Rocket Mortgage. Let's see. It should be on here trending. Gavin Newsom. You hear about that?
Yeah, I heard he survived, but I'm also hearing about some real weird voter irregularities out there. So
I
I
don't
don't
know.
know. I think it's freaking hilarious.
Wait. I think IRNT is halted, by the way. 100%. This stock is halted. Because look at the times and sales, they're yellow. When it's yellow, you know it's halted. On the way up, too. Has been halted on. Yeah, it is halted.
Okay, Rich, on where did you buy what company and what strike?
What do you say?
He went against his own rules, bought some weeklies instead of buying further out.
He said he got burned. I always buy
Yeah.
far out expiration. What do you guys do to help keep focus?
No,
I think,
you don't break your rules first and
yeah.
foremost. What's working, you don't mess with what works.
The way I learned was obviously the worst way to do it is just losing money. That's
But
like
I'm curious what company, what ticker, and at what price point.
nice, Eric.
10 contracts on 52 for 52 strike on AMC.
AMC, he's probably AMC, I would assume. 52
Oh,
strike.
damn.
Yeah, because AMC's tanking, so I would assume.
Oh,
AMC new low, 45.11. That's why I don't mess with options, man. I hate options.
yeah.
Like I'm just not good at options. Like, I'm not that experienced or knowledgeable with options. And I've lost way too much money on that. That's how I learned, by the way. You learn through mistakes. That's the worst
Yeah.
way to learn, by the way. You can learn through somebody else's mistakes, or you make the mistakes, you feel the pain, and you learn.
Pain is the ultimate teacher.
Mm-hmm. Pain is the ultimate. There you go. Pain is the ultimate teacher. Quote that, baby. Hey, Rich. Always watch YouTubers for options advice, in my opinion. I don't know if Marantz is trolling them right now.
I think Morantz is trolling him.
You just don't fall for the hype.
Rich, yeah, you probably got nothing left in that. I don't know what kind of value you got left in that, but I'd get the hell out of it.
Because you
I
said
mean, the
last
next
Friday, right?
support
He
level
bought
we're
it.
looking at is 4250.
I would say exactly 42.50 as well. Um, he said he bought him last Friday. Yeah, last Friday.
Yeah, and he lost a hell of a lot of intrinsic value in the theta over the weekend. I mean, it would have cratered.
You bought
And it's,
after
I mean,
50, after it had broken out already. That's a risky
yeah.
player. I mean, the move was right under here, mid 40 levels before it had that rip above 50. There was a possibility that could have probably gone to 60. We don't know, but AMC, man, people take profits on this, and it's bound to come back up too. That's what I believe. It's gonna come back up. They're gonna run it back up, and the same thing's gonna happen. It's gonna tank like we are seeing it right now, 44.20.
Oh, I don't know about that, my man, but okay.
The stock was at low 30s. I was like, it's gonna go to 40, and then it's gonna go to 50. It's gonna bounce. Trust me, bro. The
Okay.
stock's either gonna go up or down.
Oh yeah, it's good prediction, man. You can't go wrong there.
Did you see the little tweet I sent by this one guy? Oh, the Astro dude. See, this guy's like trolling people. I don't know. You guys see this? Like, what is this? I don't know what indicator this is. I don't know what I'm watching or what I'm seeing.
I, I, no clue.
Yeah, IRNT is actually. Oh my, this is unhalted. It got halted at 29. It literally is at 31.44. It's gonna make up its mind right now. We're coming down or pushing up for another halt. This was up 30%. SPY's dragging us down. I thought AMC wasn't correlated with SPY. That's what they were saying with the negative beta situation. But I was like, I don't know about that. I don't know about that.
Hold on, back up. I've never seen AMC with a negative beta. Back up the truck there, because I've not
Beep,
seen that.
beep, beep. Okay, the whole GameStop negative beta. I think AMC. I
GameStop,
think I think AMC
A-
did
A-
have a negative beta, but it wasn't as
AMC,
crazy. Oh, actually, no.
AMC's been positive beta. They've been
Yeah,
1 point whatever positive.
you're right.
So
But this was like, I remember seeing this like 4 months ago. I haven't really looked at the beta now on AMC. But speaking about that, let's go to Yahoo Finance see what they say. Let's go to Ortix as well. Forgot about good old Ortix. Let's see. Beta is 1.33 on AMC
thank you.
according to Yahoo Finance. Yeah, I'm sorry about that. GameStop, Yahoo Finance beta's -2.
Well, it's -2 to -92. Take your pick on what source.
Where do you see -92?
Oh hell, I don't know. Where was that? I think that's on one of the Bloomberg
Vortex.
terminal posts. Some crap.
Oh, no, yeah. Bloomberg was showing -20 at one point, which is insane. Like, no stock has probably ever had -20 in the history of stocks.
Well, I mean, if you see a -1, it's supposed to be, the unicorn because everything's supposed to follow basically along with the market. I mean, yeah, you're going to have your outliers on this day or that day, but overall, but yeah, you can't believe anything you freaking read.
19.4% SI for AMC. Cost to borrow is 2%. I just want to show you guys. I think IRNT is the one that had that 500% cost to borrow. Take a look at this. I'll pull this up for Eric because I know he wants to see. Look at this. Cost to borrow max 555%. That's the max. The minimum is 378%. 11.16% SI. AMC new low 4406. GameStop 195. See, GameStop has negative beta. Shouldn't we be going up? Or you think AMC's pulling us down? Or should I say pulling you down? And Marantz is probably like, why does he say we?
Yeah, why do you always say?
I don't
I've
know,
brought
man.
that up a number of times too. It's just like,
I
dude.
just like including everybody.
Oh.
That's how I speak. I'm waiting for him to say something in the chat. Kyoto says negative beta seems to only happen when the market sells off and they actually cover GameStop. Rich says, I appreciate you guys, by the way, and I sold off for the 50 a contract at market open pretty much. Sorry about that
At
loss,
least,
but it's a
yeah, at least
learning
you
it's a
got some
learning
money back
lesson.
out of it.
Not
You
even
got some money.
forget the money, the learning lesson. That's the most important part because if you don't learn the lesson, you're bound to repeat it.
Oh
You're
yeah,
gonna make it again. You're gonna make the same mistake again and again. And the FOMO, the whole chasing stocks situation, it goes away.
yeah.
Like
You quickly learn.
you quickly learn about like I learned the hard way. You just learn to not like you just think tomorrow, next week there's gonna be another play. There's gonna be another short squeeze play. I promise you by December there's gonna be another couple handful bunch of short squeeze plays. They're going to be
Oh,
here. They're gonna come.
Mor- Morantz called you out, bro.
What do you say?
Morantz called you out.
Didn't include GameStop in your updates. Honestly, there might not be even any more updates. To be honest, like, I've been thinking I might be gone. Might just vanish. GameStop 194. He probably paid hundreds a contract. I don't know. I don't keep a look at the AMC price for the contracts. I just look at the options chain occasionally. So I don't know how much he paid for him.
I don't know. It would have been hundreds, maybe.
52 strike for AMC. That's what he was talking about. And I'm gonna come back like Dr. Burry. By the way, yeah, Michael Burry did delete all his tweets. Cassandra.
Uh oh. Uh
Wait,
oh. Morantz is getting wound up. Uh oh.
Ralph, I have so much to say about options for AMC. I'm getting my rant together for later. Rich has me fired up. Hey man, you're always welcome to hop on right now. We have the Discord call going on. That's what we call the Discord with the three what we have going on. You can hop in. Want to talk trash about White Castle? Oh,
Want
he
to talk
actually
trash about Ralph? Go for it.
he actually likes the White Castle. I'm telling you, White Castle.
Oh God.
I'd rather eat Arby's. He bought them on Friday after the run up, so the IV was high. There we go. What's AMC's volume? Hey Alexa, what is AMC's volume?
Well, you don't have Bluetooth connectivity in your truck. What do you got? A 1962 AM FM dial?
Why this former New York Stock Exchange trader bought shares of AMC, Affirm, and Moderna? Affirm, this one is still 100. 110,
Three
not bad.
$300 per contract average.
That's what he
Oh,
said?
yeah,
Hmm.
that's an 80% loss. Ouch.
Tesla, by the way, we have the SpaceX flight, 8:30 Eastern, 5 p.m. Pacific. Was it 8 Eastern or 8:30? This is definitely going to affect Tesla's stock, which, by the way, I'm still waiting for it to come down to low 700 level so I could grab some shares again.
Morning, Pam.
AMC is having this nice little bounce off the lows. GameStop 196. Morning, Pam. I think Marantz is gonna hop on because he said, "Rich, don't leave. I got something to tell you." What's going on, Crypto Bird? Speaking of crypto, what is Bitcoin at?
I think it was actually up this morning because I was sitting there watching
Games
Mara jump.
GameStop with the massive green crayon, 198. It's only down
Dude, it's gonna finish.
0.69. Gonna
It's
finish
gonna
green.
finish the week. It's gonna finish the week at max pain.
200.
Yeah.
Bitcoin's ripping, by the way. 47.8. AMC volume is 13.6 million. Interesting. GameStop and AMC are doing their own thing.
Yeah, don't say that to Darth because he's gonna sit there and go, "What do you mean they're disconnected? What do you mean they're doing their own thing?"
He's not here or he is here. There he is.
He said hi earlier, I think.
Good morning, guys.
Morning,
Good
Marantz.
morning,
There
sir.
he is.
Hey, listen up. Well, first, thank you for having me,
No problem.
Ralph.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm waking up. I'm trying to get my voice up. I'm gonna drive like right now and later, whatever. My son just told me we don't have to leave because it's a late day. Let me tell you how much I love these schools that have late
Oh, yeah, it
days.
is Wednesday. I forgot about late days.
I'm like, what the hell? He's like, Dad, you're up at 6. You don't have to be up until 8:30 or whatever he said. And I was like, oh my God, it's because these coyotes. Dude, there's coyotes out here fighting in the middle of the night. I thought it was somebody trying to kill my dog, but I'm good. Hey, okay, so Rich, is that his name? Rich Jacob? He's
Yeah.
not Rich anymore? Money?
Oh, damn, that's harsh.
Oh, okay, he's gonna change his name. All right, so Rich, hi, my name's Marantz. Marantz, I'm just a guy. Hey, so listen up though. The options. I'm trying to find out why anyone, and this is anyone out there in Never Never Land, is even gambling $200, $300, $400, whatever it may be, on options a week. For what reason? You're never going to be able to exercise them. That's one. Okay. Two, if you're looking to make a quick couple of bucks or whatever it may be, you're finding out the real lesson in life, right? Like you're going to get burned. We know that. We all been burned. Trial and error is the best way to learn when it comes to investing. It's kind of like drinking wine. You can be told it's great. You can tell, but until you actually taste it and it's bitter in your mouth and you're like, oh, that's the only way it's going to work. So I wish you the best of luck. I do, Rich, but I would have never touched anything the week of because what's the end result? Like, what are you trying to get? You're not going to get rich. You're not going to make $1 million. None of the above. You're only going to get burned. And for the 1 week that you do make money and you do hit, that's going to put the other taste in your mouth of, hey, I actually won. Now you're going to be chasing options the rest of your life. The best thing you could ever do is lose. The best thing you ever do is dump it, get killed the first week, like you just did right now. Don't even go back to it. Stay out of it. Yeah, you see 10 options. And I'm always going to tell you this, like I tell everyone else. Whatever you guys see on Reddit, print screens and people showing you that they made it and that they won and they YOLO'd and they got all these money, those guys, there's one for every 10 million people. Let that one guy have that win. Stop trying to get everyone else's wins. Honestly, I've always said this. Be happy with what you have and what you have going. Because if you're trying to catch everyone's fantasy or everyone's YOLO and you're going to be chasing other people's dreams. And it's not going to happen for you. So be realistic about it. Respect your money and respect yourself. But no disrespect to anyone. Just if you're chasing options the week of, you already went against your own rule in your head. I promise you, no one has that agenda. No one's trying to make it the week of. I don't care what type of action you have on a Monday, Tuesday, what kind of run up, what kind of front run. It doesn't work that way in this real world out here. You buy the stock, you hold the stock, and you love it. That's what you should be doing. If you're going to buy options, I'll see you in like 2 years. Do the 2023s. There you go.
Exactly. Marantz is right, and Rich, you were doing it right to begin with by buying further outs. These short term weekly plays. I mean, it really is all you're doing is you're playing roulette at the casino. At least with the further out ones, you've got time to see where it's going, time to get out of it. On a weekly, you've got no time. If it takes a wrong turn, it's done.
Mm-hmm. I think Rich, I think you know, right? I think you're the one that said you broke your own rules. So that leads me
Yeah.
to believe that, you're aware of what how you trade. You're
I
used to
mean,
buying further out of the money or further out in expiration. Then you just went away against your own rules, and what leads me to believe is that your emotions took over. You got excited.
yeah, you bought into the hype, and I'm
Yeah.
sorry for you, partner. I really am. My heart goes out to you, but it's a lesson that everybody eventually has to learn, and unfortunately, it was your turn up. Um, if you're going to keep playing options, keep going. Go back to the way you were doing it before. You're making a little less money. You're making less money, because you've
Yeah.
got that time factor in there. But ultimately, you were making money before, so you know. Just keep working on keep working what was working for you before.
You're going for the home run, as they say. You're going for the home run mentality. Like Moran said, Reddit, it could be toxic. Like for every time I go on there, I see nothing but gains. I don't know what it is. I thought they'd lose money on there, but like he said, for every gain that somebody has made that's ridiculous, there's like 100 losers out there that don't show what they lost. So that's bias in and of itself, and that leads you to trade like that. You get influenced by that. Like if he did it, why can't I do it?
Uh-huh.
As we were
I mean,
speaking,
that's actually what brought God Pill down too, because he started doing those weeklies instead of. I mean, he did have some further outs, and he would have made bank if he'd have just gone another month or two out instead of trying to do the weeklies and losing, what was it, $800,000 or some crap.
he made 1 million with GameStop options. He made 1 million. He made $1 million and he lost like 90% of it, trying to make another couple million.
And he lost
That's
his
wild.
sister's money too.
That is wild, guys.
Like at 1 million, I would have just, I don't
Hey,
know.
but listen, but I want to talk to Rich really quick. So, because he just said something that kind of makes sense to me. Hey, Rich, and I know we're using this time in the show to focus on what you're saying, but who cares? We all talk to each other. We all share the same information. So I want to share this information with you. If you want in your heart the stock to run to $60, you have to respect it and you have to understand it. AMC is a stock that we've been studying for 10 months every day. And I don't mean that we've been in it for that long. Well, some of us have, but, and then some of us sold, but we've studied that stock every day. So to think that it's going to go to 60 or you see it in your head that it's going to 60, you really have to understand how much money that is, the billions of dollars it takes to get there, and what kind of run you're looking at. There's only been one real run on this stock. So for it to go back up another $10 after it's been battling, and I'm talking about straight up trying to survive at 38, 42, 44. You can't anticipate these $20 rises on a stock with a $500 million float or a 500 million share float. But we understand it because we've been watching it. And I know you've been watching it, but the dreams that you have in your head, you got to let them go, brother. You do. I don't see a stock like somebody yesterday was talking about AMC going to $100 on Twitter, and they just throw out a number like that.
Hmm.
It's like $100. Do you know how hard it took? You know what it takes to get to 46 right now that it's at, or 45, whatever it's dumping down to? It takes the world to move it. And then to think that it would double in price within the month is absolutely crazy to me. Like things like that, you just have to like get out. There's a fantasy world, and then there's the real world, and we're living in the real world. And it's not, I'm not nothing against you, man. I want every stock to go crazy and be like GameStop, but they're not. It's just not that way. So some people watch IRNT and support from like 2 weeks ago, and other stocks that are like peaking and they go crazy. There's these pump and dumps, literal term pump and dump. And what people are doing is they're hanging on to them and they're trying to catch something that's not there. The only real stock on this market, and I'll tell Ralph to his face, I'll tell Robert because he knows, is GameStop. And I'm a firm believer in this. It's a blue chip right up there with Amazon and Apple and everything else that you want to buy in this world. But GameStop's in a different category. If we're sitting at $200 a share, and we're talking 10 months later when it was at $5, $10, $12, whatever. That is a crazy move in itself. but it's the most secure, safest thing you can do rather than going and trying to catch these movie dreams. I'm good. I don't believe in movies. I believe in books. I believe in things that are real, and that's where they make movies and books. Buy stuff that's real, man. That's all I'm gonna tell you.
Okay.
No, I agree. The whole Twitter stuff. You got to be careful with what you feed your mind, man. Because
Well, I mean,
if somebody repeats a lie to you, you're gonna believe it, and it's true to you. If you accept it as truth, it's truth to you. You know. If you keep saying 1,000 a share, 5 million, it's just like, oh my gosh, it gets to your head. It influences your decisions. Your subconscious mind is powerful. 90% of your decisions are based off your subconscious. Whether you know it or not, it's controlling you. It's telling you whatever you read, whatever you feed your mind, that's going to influence your decisions without you
it,
knowing.
it's good to have dreams and it's good to dream. But dreams, goals and dreams are somewhat synonymous, but goals you set markers to achieve your ultimate goal. Dreams, those can be one time, flash in the pan type things, and they can hurt. They can hurt a lot. But you'll go back to what you were doing and you'll make money. You'll make it back.
Take it one trade at a time.
There you go.
David says, I've been holding XX shares of AMC just for the shits and giggles. Almost sold it yesterday, but fell for the AMC BS again. The cycles. Apple is a fake stock. Hey, the Apple short wasn't that bad, right? Now that we look about it, I was trying to short Apple at 160 and never hit 160. It hit 157 and they decided to pull back $10, which is not bad because.
Kevin's never going to come back on the channel because I'm fixing to ban him.
Well, what do you say? Oh,
Pizzas
pizzas?
with pineapple.
Oh, he's not lying. Look at Apple on the DMA on the daily. 50 DMA. It's crossing down under again. It might not be but bad of a short. Still.
Hey, yo, Ralph. You got time for a story?
Yeah, go for it.
Here you go. You ready? So check this out. So my brother, he's lame, right? My twin brother,
Uh-huh.
lame dude, whatever. Always saying dad jokes, whatever he does. His wedding was in Orlando. It's a destination wedding. We all go, right? The whole crew. My mom flies everybody out. We're all going. Here I am. I'm the best man. I'm thinking we're gonna have a bachelor party. We're gonna have a good time. I'm like, yeah, bro, let's go do it. We're gonna tear up Orlando. It's gonna be awesome. My wife's pregnant at the time with my oldest son. So this is like 17 years ago. And I'm like, hey, she could stay at the hotel. You and I, we're gonna go run this town. Let's go do it, bro. He's like, hey, bro, yeah, I just want to stay in the hotel with the wife and the kids and I just went with the family. And I'm like, what? He's like, yeah, we just want to play poker. And I was like, oh, strip poker. We're gonna invite some strippers. We're gonna do. He's like, no, man, we're just gonna order pizza and we're gonna have a good time. And I was like, oh, all right, this is the kind of wedding I'm invited to. Remember, we're in the military, so we have a different pent up energy. And I'm like, okay, so what are we gonna do? And this guy goes, yeah, I'm gonna order some pizza, man. We're gonna have a good time. You know what this guy does? He orders 5 pineapple pepperoni pizzas. I didn't go play poker. I said, what kind of pizza is this? This is ridiculous. This is not real pizza. He ruined his whole bachelor party, which was lame as hell, like him, but all for pepperoni pineapple pizza. That's what comes to mind whenever I hear that. I just wanted to stop the whole stream for that. It's not real pizza. It's trash. I didn't eat it. And guess what? That marriage didn't even last. They got a divorce. Good for him. It's because the damn pizza. I'm convinced.
It's like that Michael Jordan, right? Have you ever heard about it? It reminds me of that. It reminded me of that. The
I've
pizza
never
story
heard that. No, I never heard Michael Jordan. But
where
go
he
ahead.
where he where he got sick. He ordered a pizza. I forgot what game it was before what playoff. It was an important game, and they were at the
I did hear that.
hotel and they ordered pizza. And Michael Jordan actually ate the entire pizza. He got sick, and it's called the flu game, I think. He still played, and they still
Yeah,
won.
that's the story.
I might
That's
be
the
getting the story all mixed up.
No, that's it. That's it. He didn't want to share. He said he wasn't going to share it with
Yeah,
anyone. He ate the whole damn thing.
and I
Well,
think
he's like 6'6".
the pizza people knew they were delivering it to Michael Jordan because when they got there to deliver the pizza, his trainer, which he has an amazing book by the way, his name is Tim Grover. He's the one who actually took the pizza in, and he said that there was like 4 people in there trying to look behind and see if it was Michael Jordan. He didn't want to share the pizza. You're right. He did not want to share it all. The flu game, right? You're mixing up the flu game with the food poisoning incident. I thought it was the same thing.
It's all the same to me, guys.
Because he woke up like 3 in the
morning.
morning just throwing up. That's what it reminded me of.
Oh, Ralph, did you read that the stuff that? Oh yeah, you did read it this morning when I posted to our Discord.
The
Not
SPRT
workhorse. Oh well, workhorse.
about the
No.
lawsuit.
Yeah,
Just with
yeah.
again.
Workhorse is out. Workhorse is out. They are out of any hope of the USPS contract.
Man, this stock is not looking healthy on the daily. Nothing but decline.
Yeah, it's going back to the floor. It's going back to the basement now.
At one time, this stock traded at $42.96. Insane. AMC once again getting rejected, pulling on back. Would not be surprised to see some new lows today. It's the same game, says Stacks a lot. And that's probably the only time I ever, I think, watched Netflix. Was for The Last Dance.
Boker, I thought you were laying a new water main. Fool, you just shut off water for everybody? Good job.
Phoenix says I'll sign up for the Ortex trial, I think. I assume I can just sign up for a new trial every week. I mean, if you make a new email, probably. Look at the Ortex. What happened to IRNT? Let's take a look. Did it get halted? Oh, it came back down. It's still up 12% though. But we're not at the 30 level anymore. Let's set another on this. Let's take a look at the heat
Yeah,
map really quick.
Eric, don't make the workhorse play. I'm telling you, don't make the workhorse play. Don't buy into that hype.
Oh, hold on. I almost bought Workhorse this morning, guys.
No
And
way.
it's not. I almost did. I like the way that it's low. It's the lowest it's been in like 3 months, 4 months. I like the momentum on it. There's none. I don't know. I'm crazy. I'm different. You know that. So I'm right there, Eric. Let's go do it.
Oh God! All right, y'all are going. Pain is the ultimate teacher.
Hey, that's not me trolling either. I just want to put that out there. I'm not trolling.
I didn't think you were. You didn't
I'm
sound like
watching
you were.
stocks
I'm just
right
saying,
now.
pain is the ultimate teacher.
LG now makes a 2,000 pound TV that costs 1.7 million. 325-inch 8K model. What the hell?
I'm going in 3,000 shares on what is it, MV TS or whoever.
A Microvision?
Yeah,
Isn't this the one that got the military contract?
no, it's the United States Postal Service contract.
I'm getting this one confused with another stock then. It was Microvision and another stock.
Hey, it looks like my
The
order may have filled.
MVIS?
Yeah, I
Is that the one?
remember. I remember I said this one was a shit stock. It kept popping up to like 16, 17, kept coming down. It never held its gains. It just runs above $20. Looks like it's about to crack. I set an alert just to see. MindMed? No, it wasn't that.
No, it's MVST, Microvast Holdings.
There was another one alongside Microvision. That was poop. It was like $2.
Yeah, I don't know. Cost is not holding very well today.
Me,
So I'm
Kev.
just looking at
Me, Kevin loves Workhorse. Well, me, Kevin lost yesterday. Poor guy. He'll come back. What? 2023? Oh, I don't know what he said. Trey was playing Microvision months ago. I don't know if he still is. I don't know either. They stopped showing positions a long time ago.
Yeah, my order filled good.
Let's see. AMC 44.40, GameStop 196, down 1.2%. AMC's down 6%. Do we see 40 today? I'll be patient to grab this on the
Hey,
dip.
Garth, did you get in Sava yesterday?
Oh, what is Sava at?
Sava's up 5% this morning.
No way it was at 38 pre-market.
Oh yeah, it was. It actually saw 30. I think I saw 37 too. I could be wrong.
No, it's 38 was the low.
Okay.
Mm. Zoom is another one that was pulling back. 270s.
ZI or Zoom
ZM.
itself.
ZM.
Oh, okay.
Trey was big on microvision at the beginning of the year. What's like at 16 bucks? I think he would have took a profits. I think so. I mean, at the beginning of the year, we're looking at like $2. I went to 28.
My whole portfolio is red today. This is terrible.
I heard clean energy is green.
I heard it got. I heard that post got deleted.
Stacks a lot. I got deleted before, after I saw it. Let's see. David says I'm so close to eating losses in all of my positions to YOLO GameStop. Dot dot dot. Morantz? Question mark. Need your advice, Morantz. Not financial advice. Adam Aaron's birthday is September 30th in 15 days, right? Banks need 1 trillion October 1st.
Oh,
What price will he
all right.
sell?
Hold on. Adam Aaron is going to give himself a birthday gift. That's the
Wait,
first
I
thing
need
he's
to
going to
hear
do.
the Morantz rants on Adam Aaron. This is my
He's
favorite.
going to give
Let me
himself the
hear it,
remaining
baby.
1,000
Okay,
shares.
his birthday's coming up on the end of the month. Okay, well, listen up, guys. First, Adam Aaron, what a loser. This guy, he's going to sell off half his position, whatever he's going to sell off, whatever he's going to do. He's going to blame it on a third party. That's fine. But if this is the year that he's actually like, is he infatuated? What's going to be 69 or 68?
67,
I don't know.
68, I think, something like that.
I think he's already 67. I think that for a fact. If he's not, he looks it. That's for damn sure. But this guy doesn't deserve half the money he has. He actually made $20 million this year, whether it be in stock options or the value of the current stock right now, the bonus that he gave himself, and his damn salary. If you're making $20 million in 1 year, what the hell are you nervous about? Are you planning your retirement or whatever you're talking about? He's already worth like $100 million, $200 million. It's stupid. I don't even care what the hell he has to say. He looks like he fell asleep next to the microwave. He's an upside down ice cream cone. This guy. I don't like the guy. I never will like the guy. I hope he loses every dollar he's ever made in his life. And I know I shouldn't wish bad upon people, but I wish bad upon this guy. He's a fake. He's a liar. He's everything. But somebody was asking, what's the real question? Somebody asked it. They were saying, Morantz, should I do something? I'm just going to, oh, there it is, right there.
David.
David, how are we doing, David? I'm so close to eating losses in all my positions to YOLO GME. Morantz, question mark. Let me tell you something, David. You're late to the party if you're barely deciding to YOLO into GameStop versus losing money on all the other positions, which I don't have a problem with. I don't even care what you do with your money. That's financial advice. I don't give it. But I will say this to you. Whenever you decide to pull the trigger on GameStop, I hope you're not too late. That's all I can tell you. I wish you the best of luck. I really do. But if you're too late, i.e., 2 weeks, okay? Because some people have some crazy numbers out there. I posted a video last night on Twitter about a guy, and you guys know who he is. He's the Elliott Wave guy who predicted a price once time, and now everybody thinks he's the greatest thing. This guy, he doesn't post videos. And he has 181,000 subscribers to his YouTube channel, and he never posts on. And I was like, what are they waiting on? And then he posts a video, and he's like, yeah, I see GameStop going up 5 times what it's at right now. So $1,000 within 2 weeks. I was like, this is crazy. If it goes up $1,000 in 2 weeks, right? And I know they're saying there has to be volume because of the baskets. There has to be all this stuff coming to the stock. And I'm just telling you, the amount of profits that people will see increased in their damn portfolio, you're gonna wish you got in it. One, Ralph. But the other part of that is you're all gonna be trying to catch a rocket, and margin calls come at that point, and defunding on everything. It's gonna be wild, but I don't think it can happen in 2 weeks. That's just me personally because I've been watching it for so long. I see a slow, like it's like we're bleeding, we're stabbing you with a dull spoon. That's what it's like right now with GameStop. It's painful to be in this family, but it's also a really good feeling when it does go up $5. You look at each other like, yeah, we know we're right. Like I know we're right. So, David, I would tell you, don't get late to the party. Make sure you have some. Make sure you have a spoonful of sugar of GameStop before anything. But if you want to YOLO and you want to take losses, the losses are going green. Okay, if you actually really look at the stock, and this is Ralph always says, stocks only go up. Um, come March, right? We were in March. The whole market was dreadful. It was hard to look at. Everything was down. I'm talking about everything. Everything was down. Apple 123, Costco 307, Microsoft was 237. Like everything was down in March. Now you're 6 months later, and you're up 40% on every damn position that you can think of. So really understand how the stock market works. You're in a bad month. You're in a bad era right now. It'll go up come November. It'll go up come December. You just hope that you're on that damn ship before it takes off. Most of us already are. Most of us already YOLO'd. Most of us already did all the excess money that we have. But no, nothing against you, Dave. Just rock it, man. Rock it to rocket. That's all I'm going to tell you. That's the best advice I could ever give you. So good luck, brother. There you go.
So much to cover. Starting from Adamaran to the Rocket. What was I gonna say about
I
the
don't know what
Adamaran
were you going to say.
situation? The price he was
Oh,
gonna sell it.
that you were going to YOLO in. You were going to say that you were going to YOLO into GME. So
AMC.
that's what you're. Yeah.
No, I was gonna
Okay.
say I was gonna first.
If you're going to YOLO into AMC, I would go on the put side personally.
No options. We already learned. We already talked about that.
Okay.
I think. Yeah, link him to Maran's stream. No question. How
Oh,
How many
you
shares does Adamaran have? Like 800K?
750, I think, was the last I looked. 740 something. Already did.
That's
If
not
you
a
want to
lot
pin it.
then.
Yeah, it was 750, 755, I believe.
I had
Oh,
seen that he was holding like 3 million a couple times.
No, so like,
God. That's
if
that that's his bonuses and all the other stuff.
no, no,
Yeah,
no, 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 no.
forecast
I'll
out.
explain. I'll explain his nonsense. So Adam Aaron, you guys remember that in the interview with Trey, he says if you've owned like 6 times your salary in shares, that's what you need to own or whatever it may be. But he's actually talking about in your lifetime with the company. So over his lifetime, he's owned like I don't even know, like 3 million, 5 million shares, something crazy. And every time they say, well, he's never sold or anything, no, it's the way he's gifted his shares. So they're actually rewarded their shares like twice a year. I've been watching them
Mm-hmm.
and paying attention to it. But he's the only one who officially hasn't sold, but he also hasn't bought any since 2017, 2018, 2017, something like that. So all he's doing is he's awarding them or giving them away to people. And now it's finally coming out that he gave them to his kids. So his kids have probably already sold and made the money. But this guy's a fake, man. He's a liar. I hate him. I just want to
It
pull out
is.
the 5 hairs that he has.
That's what I'm saying. If he really believes it, he should buy it. But he knows it's
I
not
mean,
worth this, you know?
it wasn't hard to it wasn't hard to prove him a liar when he did say that on Trey's video. What Trey's first interview, I think, is when he said it. Yeah, it wasn't hard to just go look at the filings and go, oh, let's see, his latest filing shows that, and even for the 10Q, he lied because the shares that he gifted were gifted prior to the filing of the 10Q, and then the gifting filing showed up right after. I mean, the same day, but right after the 10Q was filed.
I
So
remember. I do remember. I
even that
think
10Q was a bunch of bullshit. He owned 1.2 million shares. Bullshit. He owned at the time of the filing. He had 750, 755, 749, whatever. He lied out his ass because he gifted those shares prior to the 10Q filing.
how much was it? 250K total or 250K to each kid?
250K each. And I guarantee you those damn things were sold
I would have
the
sold.
very day they were gifted.
That's not
Think
even.
about that. He gave 500,000 shares away. Like no way. Nobody does that. Not at this price. Not in this climate. It's all a setup.
If you believe in the company, and I mean, come on, when it was back at $4, $3, wherever, but whatever the low point was, with all the money he gets paid, he could have been buying shares if he believed in the company.
That's what I'm
He has no
saying.
he has no faith in the company. He has not bought. None of them have bought
They've
shares.
all sold. All the execs. All the executives.
I don't think AMC even knows because the AMC crowd is. I mean, these guys are blind, right? So the truth is this: Murdoch right? That they sold to. This is him selling to the shorters while the squeeze is happening. All right,
Yeah.
$30, $28 a piece, whatever it may be. But he actually sold to Murdoch in December at $2 a piece,
Exactly.
trying to
You mean
trying to
Mudrick?
make a line.
Mudrick, yeah.
Mudrick.
Mudrick,
Yeah,
whatever they are.
I found them. Yeah.
Mudrick. You knew what the hell I meant. But thank you
Yes,
for
sir.
correcting me. I needed that. But when he sold it to them at $2 a piece in December, what everyone is like not even paying attention to is he's getting his advice from Sean Goodman, okay, his CFO. Because he's the kind of guy, Adam Ayer's the kind of guy who doesn't have a thought of his own. That's why he filters it through Twitter and he's like asking people for ideas and what should we do with this company? Hey, dude, you're the CEO, you're the chairman of the board. Like, what are you asking me for? Oh, you need me to tell you to sell, merchandise in the lobby. You need me to tell you to go ahead and partner up with sporting events. You need me to tell you, no, it's garbage. But if you do need me, I'll help you. I'm going to charge you a pretty penny too, because you're an idiot. $25 million for an advertising campaign for the Kansas City advertising firm. Oh, it's new. It's right here, right next to my house. Let me talk to these guys. He probably has like his gardener who his family works for that damn advertising company. Who knows? Anyway,
His gardener could probably give better advice.
oh yeah, I wouldn't doubt it, but they're all lame. But check this out. This is the crazy part. So these guys, these executives, and when I say Sean Goodman, nobody even knows who the hell that is, right? So the CFO, this guy sells 90,000 shares of his own. He's only been with the company for a year. He got there the 2 months before COVID hit. So this guy only knows how to manage through COVID, where they're hemorrhaging money. I mean, these guys are losing $90 million a month. How many more months are there in the year or in their lifetime left? Because that stock offering that they did, that they actually got money into the coffers, that money's bleeding out right now. So at
Yeah,
what
but
point are we gonna wake up and we're gonna look
you
at AMC and we're gonna be
the
like, oh my God,
CFO and the board of directors should be renegotiating that debt down. I
Hmm.
mean,
you can't.
they've got some high ass interest stuff going on, and it's
And when you
gonna
have
go up.
they have a triple C credit rating. Like you can't go shopping at the damn banks because the banks are going to help you. Wells Fargo's not giving out loans. No one's going to do anything right now in this climate that you're in. You're stuck. It's the ultimate pickle. It's the ultimate catch 22. So I laugh. I laugh when I see people who invest. And this is nothing against like guys like Rich who are trying to catch options and trying to catch a wave. Nothing like that. It's who's really buying. This is the craziest thing. Man, I read it every day on Twitter, and I know you guys probably do too. And Ralph's like, "Yes, we're buying more." No, who the hell is buying at $50? That's what I'm trying to find out. Like,
Like,
who the hell saw the price of GameStop or AMC go up and be like, "Oh my God, it's a great time to buy"? Like, it'll never cross your mind.
it
So,
just it
I,
depends if you're trying to go for a day trade. If you know your exit's going to be 55 or 60, then I think that's fine. If you have a stop loss, you manage your risk. But if you're like, you know what, I think AMC fundamentally is worth $50, and I don't know what to tell you. Like I respect everybody's opinion, but
yeah,
also
no, I
also
hear you.
wanted
Ralph,
to,
go ahead.
no,
No, no, but here's
I
my
wanted
thing.
to go off to the Mudrick
I've
situation.
never, I've never dated a day trader, so I don't know exactly how
Yeah,
they
right.
interact. Right? Like you guys are different, man. Like that's why I listen to your show. That's why I watch you. And because your mindset is, I can make $20 off this trade. And
Yeah,
I'm
like
just like, oh
it's like if the opportunity's
my
there. Like Tesla the other day was tanking,
God.
right? I'm like, this is a good
Yes, sir.
opportunity because it's gonna bounce, and it bounced. So that's like day trading for you, swing trading.
No, I'm so with you. I just don't know the mindset of a day trader. Like you literally were like, okay, let me buy 3 shares of this. Ooh, I made $40 a share. Like,
Mhm.
and you were happy. And I was
Well,
just like,
$40 more than he had when he
It,
started.
it's it's
yeah,
not even
I know.
it's not even the profit, but it's the trade
Yeah,
itself that it went out well how I expected, right? Because if it would have went to 700, I would have probably bought like 25, 30 shares of Tesla, and I still would have been right because it would have bounced, but it never hit that price target. Just like Apple, I said I'm gonna short this stock at 160, and look at Apple
yeah.
right now. It's at tanking 146. So you
I
just
think this is
gotta.
why I respect you guys so much on these plays because me personally, I don't have it in me. The gambler in me is not
Mhm.
there. And every day I wake up and I see a stock and I get guys like Eric or guys like Kyoto and everyone's trying to feed me just that one ticker. And I'm just saying to myself, no way. No way. Like I literally have to take my money. And I don't care if it's $20, guys. I don't care if I'm spending like let's just say I got 2 grand sitting in my pocket and it's itching. And I'm like, I need to go invest this money. I need to go figure it out. So what I do, I go look at a stock like Rocket and I go, oh, all time low. Okay, looks good. Oh, everything else looks good. The options look good. Okay, let me go jump in. And I'll do something like that. And this is why I made a video and I said, hey, I'm bored, but I'm not bored. Like I love GameStop, right? And wouldn't I be just better off just buying 10 more shares of GameStop?
Hmm.
Yes. But I just want to go touch something. I want to go play on something. But
Yeah.
whatever. And maybe I just don't understand the mentality of years of day trading because I don't day trade. I actually buy shares and I hold them forever.
You're like
And so
Rob.
I've got to change it. Yeah, I
You're
guess
like
I'll
Rob.
take
You guys are
that.
like long. I guess it has to do with like the younger generation. Like we're so used to quick things, right? Oh, you want to watch a movie? Boom, Netflix. Oh, you wanna order food? You don't have to go down the street. DoorDash, Uber Eats. It's just so everything's so instant, you know. So I think
Yeah,
that's what.
while you're reading your phone, while you're reading Reddit,
Oh,
I can't
well, you're seeing
I
people
can't
make.
watch I can't watch a movie, dude. I can't watch a movie without looking at my phone.
Me
I've
too.
tried.
It's hard.
Yeah,
Um,
well, day trade
back to
101.
I want to talk about Mudrick because you talked about in December they bought $2, right?
Yes, sir.
Rob had brought that up before the whole Mudrick fiasco. Was it like in April, May, when they were found
Yeah,
out that they had bought like at $30 or something like that?
that
Rob,
was in June, May. Yeah, June and May.
Rob actually brought up Mudrick way before that, before everybody knew about it. He's like,
I
look at,
did I did a ton of research into AMC. Anybody that's ever had any contracts with them, any debt instruments. I mean,
I'm telling
I
you,
spent.
I'm telling you, Rob doesn't even own AMC. He does more DD than some people who are fully invested in AMC.
You-
I'm telling you,
right.
I'm
I
telling
own
you.
no AMC. I own no AMC. I do the DD out of hate.
Rob
I
hate
promise.
Rob knows more about AMC than people who are fully invested. He puts more time
Yeah,
into research. I'm telling you.
that sounds perfect. That sounds perfect.
Go ahead, Rob. What were you gonna say?
I had my say. When I say something about AMC, and some of it's outdated now because I just basically stopped following them because and looking into it because I know what the value of AMC stock is in my own head, and beyond what it's doing now. I'm not even going to worry about it because I know where it belongs and I know where it's going to go to. So yeah, I'm going to just leave it at that.
You guys, I was watching Twitter last night, and they were doing their Spaces calls. These guys do them,
Oh
and
man.
I have so many damn AMC guys that are on my shit. I hate it. Excuse my cussing. I don't like to cuss. Sorry about that, bro.
No.
But these guys, the header was airing out the BS. These guys make up their own drama in their head as the stock price goes up or down. That's like people are stressed about this stuff. I'm literally sitting over here all zen, like playing League of Legends all night. Man, by the way, I'm not platinum. I tried, man. I'm trying so hard to get plat, and I can't. I mean, it's a rigged game. I feel like I'm playing with the stock market, but it's going crazy. Hold on. Oh man, my kids are going to school without me.
We're having the
Your
rant,
kids
but
are going to school without you. What, they're out there hitchhiking?
Well, my wife got up. She heard me on the phone with you guys. So then she gets up. She's like, I'm going to take my son to school. She's like, you can take the other one. So I'm waiting, and the guy has a late day. So I don't even know what to do with my life this morning. I know I'm going to go live later at like 10 o'clock, maybe follow the market from 10 to 12 ish, maybe all the way through power hour. Who knows? I don't have much to do today. I'm off for like 2 weeks from work. I'm trying to recover. So what better way to recover than go on YouTube and hang out with you guys
hmm
and talk about donuts? Man, I still have leftover donuts from yesterday. Mm.
So did you find your pizza you were looking for in the donut shop yesterday? I forgot to
No,
ask that
no,
question.
no, I did not. I'm telling you, I can't eat pizza that early. I tried last night. Like my wife had like some leftover pizza from the other day, and she's like, "Hey, and I was like, "Why does it look like that? It looked terrible." And it was because she ordered extra sauce. I'm a firm believer that the extra sauce does not matter. Not once it's like a day old. It does not. I mean, what's the point? Ugh, gross.
Well, it looks like tomato paste. I mean, because that's all it really is. It's tomato paste with spices and extra water while it's a sauce, and then the water evaporates out, and it's back to the tomato paste.
Hey, I will say this though. Every time I talk, GameStop goes green.
That's what I'm
I
saying.
just want to
I,
put that.
I was about to say that Gme went green up
I was want to put
0.69%.
it on. Wouldn't even matter, guys. Wouldn't matter if it went up 1 penny. I'm just letting you know it's going to go green every time I talk because we're gonna talk this into submission. We really are. It's going to work. We're going to put everybody down and choke them out, body slam them, Don't get me started right now, Ralph. I'm waking up, man. I wake up like this.
Like Boker, thanks,
You already
Boker,
started.
give a dono.
As you're talking, you're already wound up. You're ready to go.
Thanks, Boker, for the dono, $5 dono. Keep this great content rolling. Appreciate that. That dono is gonna be circulated to Marantz's channel later, through some funny comments. I'll figure out
Guys,
something to
I want
say.
no part of it. I want no part of it. You know, some people. I'm gonna tell you something about like Stacks and Ralph and all you guys. You guys, like, I'll be live and you guys will make a comment like, "Oh man, I can't even stop watching. I can't." And I'm like, "What are you guys watching? It's just us talking crap."
I
And
don't know.
and
I'm
then
at the gym, bro. I'm trying to squat, and I'm like hearing you. I just can't like
you
exit.
can't
I'm
stop.
I'm
Put
squatting
a
while
midget
hearing
on your,
Marantz.
put a midget on your shoulders. 300 pounds. I thought about that the other day. I'm still thinking about it. I think I was like 155 pound. Soaking wet, 2 rolls of quarters in my pockets. I didn't weigh much, but I mean, dude, squatting 300 pounds. You got to start somewhere. I'm happy for you though, bro.
No belt,
Whatever
no
it
sleeves,
takes.
nothing.
No, no. Oh God, what kind of man would take some belt to the gym? This
Hey
is.
man, my
I'm
back,
telling
lower
you,
back, sometimes on those squats it starts to curve a little bit and it
I'm gonna.
hurts.
I'm gonna have a gym rant. I'm gonna have a gym rant today. I'm gonna go crazy because I'm telling you guys, you guys are not ready for that rant. It's in my brain. Every time I go, I got to see the same guy at the gym. Every time I go, the same guy's got to be there. Dude, you won. Go home. Honestly, like, what's the point? How in shape are you trying to get? What Special Olympics are you trying to win? I don't understand. I got a cousin. He's a professional boxer. When I say professional boxer, let me rephrase that. He trains boxing, but he doesn't go like in boxing matches. He only trains to get into shape because he's like, it's the best physical fitness thing, jumping rope and punching. And I'm like, okay, it sounds boring as hell to me. Dude's ripped, right? To shreds. He,
Yeah.
he looks the part. But I look at him like, his name's Lionel. I'll even say his name. He'll never be on the show. And I'll be like, hey, Lionel, man, you won, bro. Like, just let it go. He's like, no, there's new kids coming into the gym every day. I got to teach them form. I got to teach them footwork. I got to teach them. I'm like, for what? No one's out here boxing, bro. There's not people out here fighting. There's no prize fights. There's no point in it at all. I don't want to get hit in the head 100 times. My kid comes up to me like, Dad, I want to box. I'm like, get the hell out of here. We're not doing it. That's not the life I'm living. I'm living a GameStop life. I'm actually, and I tell these kids this every time they tell me to do something daredevilish. My kids want to for my birthday. They want to go hiking. Okay. And they're like, hey, your birthday's coming up, Dad. Let's go hiking. Let's go camping. That's what I mean by hiking. They want to go camping, like Big Bear, Lake Arrowhead, somewhere out here in the cold during the wintertime. And I say, guys, I'm not risking my life. I have GameStop shares. You're talking about bears in the woods, in the wilderness. I'm not fighting a bear for nobody. I'm running. I'm gonna take off, get in my truck, and drive away. I hope they're fast because I have shares, bros. I'm telling you right now, my shares are mine and they're staying with me. I'm not risking my life for anybody. So I'm not boxing. I'm not camping. I'm not fishing in the canoe. You're not gonna give me. I'm gonna sit right here in my house. I'm actually sitting in my house right now, looking at the wall, saying, "I'm safe." I'm out of breath, but I'm safe. And that's
Yeah,
the way I'm going to be
yeah,
until these damn chairs explode. Oh man, I just go
yeah,
off. I'm sorry. I know I'm talking
yeah.
about
No,
that.
boxing's no joke, man. Like these whole
Oh
YouTubers
God.
with the Jake Paul and boxing, they're taking it like a joke. But bro, the other day, some she was like 18 years old. She died, bro. She got hit in the head.
Exactly.
She got
Exactly.
she died. It's like no joke.
I'm not having it. When it comes to my shares, you're not putting me at risk. But much respect to Jake Paul and those guys actually performing at a high level on national TV, pay-per-view, whatever it may be. That takes a lot of work. I'll be honest with you. To box at that level, Timothy Bradley's from my hometown, Cub Swanson hometown. We have professional fighters everywhere. Lee Espinosa is like one of the main trainers. The guy who trains Timothy Bradley and all them, he trains like every boxer. His name's like, I don't even know his name. Like some guy. I'll remember one day, whatever. But they're all out here. All these professional boxer guys. Anthony Ruiz comes out here and throws around his punches, and he's a fat cat. And another guy I don't care about, heavyweight champion. Canelo's always around. I don't like Canelo. I know you do. You probably love him.
What? He's fighting November
Yeah, I don't like
6th.
him. Listen, I don't like anything that's traditional Mexican. Like when people are out there saying, "Oh man, you got to support the," like how you support the national team.
Yeah.
I like the national team. I do, but I don't. It's hard to explain.
Let's go to the
I'd
World
rather
Cup.
watch.
Let's go to the World Cup next
Yeah,
year.
we can't, dude. It's in Qatar. You're not listening to me. No one's going to Qatar. I'm telling you, those people dying. It's 125 degrees during the summertime. They think they're going to play. When do they play? In the wintertime? And it doesn't even matter. Like, you're not going to a country like that. Ralph, I promise you, the Middle East is not where you want to be. You and I do not belong in the Middle East. I promise you, for the lifetime of me, you will get kidnapped. You'll be worried about your life.
Hey, y'all will believe it better than I will.
Qatar bought the World Cup. Everybody knows what it is, oil money. So they
Exactly.
actually stole the World Cup, and that's what's happening. Now they're putting on this show for the world that's not even real. They're building these stadiums that'll never get touched again. They're going to be empty. They're going to be just big pots. And aliens are going to come down. Aliens are going to be like, man, what did they use this for? Nobody's
Yeah.
going to know what the hell we're doing. But I'm just telling you right now, Qatar is not where you want to go for the World Cup. I'll wait. I think it's coming to America coming up, right? It's
2026.
coming like in 2024,
That's what happened.
2026.
That's what happened with the stadiums in Brazil after the World Cup. The Maracanã,
Yeah,
they were all empty. The grass just went to crap. The everything just went to crap.
yeah, but they would because those are third world countries.
Yeah.
Brazil's a third world country. I don't even care what you tell me. Anybody's walking around barefoot. There's more people barefoot in Brazil than with shoes on. I guarantee you. These damn soccer players. But I'm LA 2026 is gonna be all over US, whatever it may be. I'm still gonna have a live stream. You're still gonna have a live stream. We will. I'm saying this right now. We will go to the World Cup together.
In
You and I.
5 years.
I don't. Yeah, whatever.
Yeah.
I don't care how
2026.
much the tickets cost. I don't care because I'm gonna have GameStop money by then. And even if I don't, I mean, I can afford tickets. I'm good. We'll go to the damn World Cup. And we at? Like you're like near Pico Rivera, right? Um,
Yeah.
and I say that candidly. Let me tell you my Pico Rivera story. The worst city in America. Okay. Um, I just put this out there right now. If you guys are not from Los Angeles, if you guys don't know the area, a lot of you guys are not. I know we're a national channel. We're always hanging out and talking stocks. By the way, GameStop up. I don't know. AMC up, whatever. I'm not even looking at the charts right now. I'm just talking. So my wife's family's from Pico Rivera. Okay. And they were like, hey, we're going to go for 4th of July to go watch the fireworks. And I'm like, this is cool. You know, like whatever. I guess. I mean, I don't know. And I'm like, fireworks. Why are we going to LA first of all? Period. It's busy. It's 4th of July, whatever. And these guys are like, no, we're going to be cooking. We're going to be swimming. So they have one of those backyard swimming pools. That's the first damn red flag. And I was like, okay. So I'm here with the backyard above ground swimming pool, which you don't have in California, period. It's just whatever. And then the cops are going up and down the street looking for illegal fireworks because these dudes are bringing them from like Mexico,
Yeah.
obviously. It looked like a damn like Beirut. It looked like a battle zone, bro. Like the amount of illegal fireworks that were going off, I should have known. And then everyone's outside in the front yard watching the stuff. You know, everyone's like in the driveway basically. And we're talking about like 40 people at this one house, small ass little house. And then I'm like, where are we again? They're like, yeah, we're in Pico Rivera. So I go to the bathroom. When I go into the house, there's the teenage kids hotboxing the house. I tell my wife, I said, what the hell are we doing in this household? Like, who are these people? She's like, oh, it's my family. We never visit them. We're just here. It was just too much for me, man. Oh, my wife's yelling at me. But I'll never go to Pico Rivera again. That was my point. Illegal fireworks everywhere. I don't like people who break laws, bro. And that's all they're doing out there.
Bro, there's
And
nothing
you know,
but illegals out here. Did he get cut off? I think he got cut.
I think he just stopped talking.
I cut myself off because I'm saying goodbye to the kids. My son, he's going to school.
What a live stream this morning, guys. Saxlaw says he's in LA traffic right now. Don't talk to me about the traffic or the gas prices.
If he's in LA traffic, he ain't driving. He's parked. Just put a fence around it, homestead it.
The World Cup is a Ponzi scheme? Yeah, see, Maraz convinced me not to go next year then. Might as well just save that money. Maraz will be going live later, guys. I don't know what time he's going to be going live. I think he said in a couple hours, but I'm going to link his channel again. One more time.
It's pinned
Oh,
at the
Ralph,
top
you're trying to
already.
leave already, huh?
Huh?
You're trying to get out of here.
Yeah, I went
know
out.
the voice. I know the voice. I know the intention in your voice. I don't like it. So, dude, listen. You got to practice going bell to bell.
No more
You gotta
bell to
practice.
bell. Absolutely not.
Life is not that important, bro. You can't be online with your friends, hanging out, having a good time. Dude, my son's watching the same shows his whole life. This, what is this, Camp Shikiwaka or something? I don't even know. But anyway, you think I'm gonna let you go, dude? I didn't wake up to get on the stream and not be here.
You have to go on live now. It's your turn.
I'm not trying to take over your stream. I'm just telling you. Me and Robert, we'll get this going. We'll do the whole damn thing right here. You see the mic on.
Yeah, you can get up. Hey, if you do go bell to bell there, Ralph, you got to put Jamer in the seat. And you can go away. We don't care. As long as
Dude,
Jamer's in the
I've
seat.
tried that before, and the stream shuts off. Like, it'll
Does
just
it?
shut off. I've tried that like
I'll keep,
a long time ago.
I'll keep my thing live. I'll keep it live for you, dude. I'll just leave Mario in the background. I'm actually, to be honest with you, I've been checking out MVST this whole time, trying to pay attention to it. I like the 1010 where I was, 1018. And I say 1010 because that's where I bought one share. I'm just trying to like fill it out before I really go in there. And I listen to Robert in a way because I want to know what the hell's going on. But well, Rob, you're gonna get me in trouble with this one.
Yeah, see, I got 3,000 shares at 10.15.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you have
I'm looking at it. MVST,
Hmm.
Microvast Holdings Inc. Yeah, this is still a stock channel, guys. For the guys who are out there wondering what the hell's going on.
It's just
I
sometimes we get
apologize.
off. I like getting off topic. I mean, the
Yeah,
stocks are
sure.
just going up. You know, they like it.
Life goes on. Life carries on. You know, IRNT is the
The
best
Eric
stock
play.
in the whole damn world right now. And BBIG is finally coming back up after being down crazy yesterday. CRVS looking healthy. BlackRock looking good. RPH is up 5%. Stay the hell away.
It sounded like you were going to FOMO into that one, bud.
No, I'm good, man. I'm good, brother. I won't be doing it. Disney has a new, Southern California package again. Yeah, I don't know. I got to
I
walk
hate
around my
Disney.
papers that way.
I hate
Yeah, me too.
amusement parks in
If you
general.
saw Microsoft got a brand new target, they're up to about 330 on the target, but they're at 302 right now, up 3% today, or 1%. I'm sorry, up $3. Not bad. Tesla 741 holding even,
Let's
looking
go,
good.
baby.
NIO 3760, looking terrible on all these China stocks. You guys know how we feel about it. This Evergrande issue that these guys are going to default on their actual holdings. I don't know what's going on in China, but I will tell you this: I want no part of it. Have I ever? Never, and I never will. My own personal reasons. I see AMC going down to $44. They're at 45 right now, chilling, having a good time. By the way, GameStop green up $2, 1% today at 201.24. That's the rundown, guys. I hope you enjoy it.
The daily
Ralph,
stock
you got
update.
stocks at one point. Oh, and for the little girls out there, the SNDL, yes, they are up 1% today.
Sundial,
Yeah, don't get me started with the hippie
the
lettuce.
hippie
Come
lettuce.
on.
Just say Adam Aaron. Why? Because we're
Why would?
going
Oh,
go off on another rant.
they want me to go? No, I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. Yeah,
Save it
Mr.
for his birthday.
Yeah, or say, well, shoot, man, you guys gotta know. I'm starting to like this decline, the clean energy. I'm really starting to like that, Stacks. I'm not joking with you. I might.
I'm telling you,
Man, I don't.
if you see something over and over, it's gonna get into your head, and I think that's what's happening right now. I don't think you like it. I think they just keep trolling with you with it, and now you want to buy it.
Yeah, I'm debating, man. Okay, so I'm trying to catch up on the chat. You know, this is Robert's job. He's supposed to be reading the chat and telling people what's going on. Um, yeah, whatever. My cowboy losses. That's what we're talking about, Boker. Hey, Rob, can you go out there and slap your neighbor?
I can't. He's a few miles away, punching
Oh,
holes in water lines.
yeah, I bet he is, and I would be too. Hi guys, I'm late to the chat. Who is on with Ralph, and what state are you in? I watch from North Wisconsin. Thanks, JT Wesco. There is Robert Brown in the chat, and Ralph will tell you the rest. I don't want to take over the chat. I don't
You
want to do that.
you really got
Well,
to read. You really need to read the chat before you reply to people because I already replied to him in the chat.
oh, okay. I see what's going on. Yeah, I'm a little slow. Obviously, I just like Ralph, man. What can I tell you? The cost to borrow on IRNT is now average 500%. Yeah. But how much was there to borrow? I know someone said it yesterday. I know the cost to borrow is like 500, 600%, whatever it may be. But how many shares are there to borrow at that price? Because, most companies will give you a discount on something when they have excess amount left. Like, oh, we only have 5 of these left at this price. Then that's when the cost, goes crazy. But if you have, if you don't have a lot, then what's the point? So cost to borrow doesn't matter to me if there's only like 10 shares left to borrow.
Let's see.
I
I'm
don't know.
pulling it up right now.
Tell me.
That was
Well,
INTC, right?
Hey, they can sit there and print more shares all they want. So
IR. What was it? IRNT?
yeah.
Let's see. I actually pulled up Intel.
Phoenix, no. I did not seize control of this channel. I'm just a guest.
Borrowed shares 38,000.
38,000 left?
Borrowed. It doesn't say how many are left.
Oh, borrowed. Okay,
Yeah.
so they borrowed 38,000 at that price. Yeah, I mean, what's 38,000 at $20? $25? Nothing. It's pennies.
500% interest, annualized. What is that? 1% per day, a little over 1% per day,
Yeah.
because that's APR.
Yeah, Stacks. I'm just not letting Ralph go. That's the difference. You see, I'm the crazy ex-girlfriend who's like, but listen to me. No, listen. I'm pregnant, even if I'm not.
You're
You don't leave.
pregnant?
Yeah, don't leave.
You're going to be a millionaire if you're pregnant.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. Have a baby by me, baby. Be a millionaire. Hey, oh, you know what, Ralph? Let's talk about this for a second.
Let me
This is
know.
crazy.
Uh-huh.
I because I'm about to be leaving anyway. I got to take my son to school. I'm gonna stop messing around. But and then I'm gonna go live. My live stream is gonna be, hey, did you guys missed all of Ralph's live stream? Go watch that back. You better post it too. Hey,
It's always up, yeah.
so I reviewed in my own head, right? Because I didn't make a video of it or nothing. No, hell no.
Just messing with you.
No, dude, I'll break that kid. Oh my god, I want it so bad. I hate dudes who work out and take pictures while they're working out to show their bodies. I don't care whatever muscle you're working out, bro. You're still soft. Like your muscles, your bones are still the same way. You're still frail, dude. You're not hard. You weren't hard then. You're not hard now. You can't make somebody strong. I promise you. There's water muscles, show muscles. There's all that. But if you're
The
Hercules, you're Hercules.
lighting.
Fuck him. Oh yeah, baby. I'm telling you, these guys they rub baby oil on their arms and then they're like, I'm ready, and they go outside. I don't have time for these dudes. I'm like, oh yeah, well look at that boulder over there. You see that boulder right there is blocking your way for you and your family? Go move it. They can't. They're light in the ass and they can't move anything. Yeah, here I'll just walk up and I'll be like, here, get out of the way real quick. But let me forget about the review, Dirk. Here's what I was reviewing. I was reviewing the Drake album, the new one. Oh my god.
Okay.
So I have that one, and then I have Kanye West's new album. And, I'm a firm believer Kanye is extremely talented and underrated. But Kanye West, he had a song. It's called Jail. Let's Go to Jail. That's what it's called. It's called something like that. And everybody hates it. And I'm trying to love it. So I like the Kanye West song, but Drake's whole album, Drake one song beats out Kanye's whole album. And I hope this is what I'm listening to when I'm playing League of Legends. And you guys should know Drake has one song that beats out people's whole albums. You guys even know what Drake is? Do you even know how great they are?
You're gonna be shocked what I'm about to tell you.
Oh, Drake's the greatest. Yes, it's called Fair Trade. If you guys heard the song, by the way.
No, he's gonna tell you that he and I don't listen to rap. So
I have not heard one song on his new album, Drake's. I have not.
Wow.
And I'm not going to. I'm telling you.
This is the life I live.
I'm telling you. I have not. I heard the Donda album, a couple songs, garbage.
Oh, yeah,
complete trash.
Jail. There's a good song called Jail. There's a song called Jail. I like it. What? Oh man,
I like Drake, but I just.
You know what, Ralph? I'm gonna trap you in my truck, bro.
I'm telling you, I'm a simple guy. Like I'm a creature of habit. I'm a creature of habit. I've ate Chipotle. Look.
So what I'm hearing is, if I ever go to California, I can ride with Ralph, but I cannot. I gotta take an Uber if Marantz is around. I will
I'm
not ride.
I'm not giving him the aux cord. That's it.
No, bro. Oh my god, I'm gonna start live streaming my lifting again. When I was doing the curls with the dumbbells, I didn't have enough energy to do it, but I'm gonna start doing it now just for review, Dirk. I'm like, yeah, buddy, you want some of this? 35s all day. But yeah, I can't talk to you guys right now. The song is called Fair Trade, and it's such a smooth track, such a good. God, what the hell are we talking about? What do you guys listen to? What, soccer on the radio?
I listen to 60s, 70s, 80s, and that's pretty much it.
I'm a simple guy. I'm a creature of habit. I do the same things. I've ate Chipotle every single day for like 2 months.
66 days. Yes.
70.
I saw all the posts.
I've 73.
Gross.
Today's gonna be 74. I've ate Chipotle every single
Wanna know
day.
your stomach is doing what it does, bro?
I'll go to the kitchen. I'll bring back the stack of napkins that I have from Chipotle. I kid you not. Like, I do the same thing. I listen to the same music. Like I just do the same things every day.
I think of Strolling with Destiny in her channel where she was talking about her therapist was giving her napkins and she's crying and they're Chipotle napkins.
What?
She's like, please don't give me your restaurant napkins.
Thank you,
If you
Rich.
collect them, bro, I'm gonna collect them all.
I'm not collecting. I'm just
Oh,
being smart because the day I don't have napkins, I'm like, hey, I have 500 napkins here. Chipotle is fire. You
hey,
can't go wrong with Chipotle. It doesn't make you feel like Arby's after, and you're not on the toilet for hours. This is
what?
what you do. You got double. You always ask for double everything, double rice and
That's
double beans. They
big.
don't cost.
Oh,
They don't charge.
Hey, if you
How
if you eat
expensive?
Chipotle, you can you're stocked up for days on end.
But how expensive is Chipotle?
It is because
It's
it's
gotta
like
be
15 bucks.
expensive.
It's like 15 bucks a day.
Oh, hell no. Bro, $15, bro? 15, I feed my whole family for $15. I swear to you.
Well,
I
it
go
depends what
to
you get. If you can do double steak every day, then it's gonna run up to like 14, 15 bucks. Don't
and then
do
you add the
guac.
guac and everything
No,
else
do
on.
guac.
Yeah, I
The
know.
guac. If it's a green day in the market, and you make money in the markets, then you do guac. If you're losing money, you
Oh,
don't do guac. That's my rule.
I'm
are you
about
one of
to,
those
Eric.
guys? You're doing the investment off of the restaurants you eat at? You sound like the guy with the Disney movies. Oh, no. You guys remember that? Oh, the guy who says he's investing in a security company and it's a Kung Fu Panda, and he's investing in an AC company and it's Frozen. I mean, I don't even know. I guys, Chipotle. No, I can't do it. My
You,
daughter, she works at Best Buy. Okay,
uh,
at lunchtime she goes and eats either Habit, Chipotle, or Panera, whatever, or Wendy's. I don't know. And she says she's getting sick of the food. I said, honey, there's that Korean restaurant right there. You should go try it. She's like, Korean food? Oh no. Dude, you can get the biggest bowl of bulgogi and rice, whatever. It's like $8, dude. You're over here
yeah.
paying double the
Oh,
price.
I'm only paying 15 because first of all, steak is more expensive obviously than chicken, and when you do double steak, it's a couple bucks more, right?
But yeah, but this is why the stock costs $1,800
The
because of
Chipotle
you,
stock's amazing. It's going to the moon.
dude.
It's gone to
No,
the moon.
GameStop's going to the moon.
Look at this.
GameStop's up
How,
$2.37.
look at this Chipotle stock. It was at 36. Boom, 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 boom. Rona, boom. 1900 because of me.
It's a pyramid scheme. Pyramid scheme. That's it.
There has to
Every
be
time I
somebody
see
here who
something,
loves Chipotle apart from me and Rich. There's something you can eat every
nobody,
day. There's,
nobody can eat that every day. That has no flavor.
I'm
What
telling
are we
you,
talking about?
the people there that
Oh.
work there are probably tripping out on me. Like the cashier's
Re-
always
re-
looking at me like I've seen you
Remember,
before, you know?
Marantz, Ralph is not, Hispanic. He
I
is
am.
Canadian. That's why he
He's
can't
not.
have
He's
spicy.
not.
That's why he
Yeah, I
eats at
know.
Chipotle.
I know. He says, "Oh, we're gonna have some
Chipotle's
spicy stuff." He
good.
goes, "Gives
I'm telling you.
chili cheese fries from Del Taco." I
You,
already know the guy.
you can't. Del Taco's like
No idiot.
crap. That's like
Oh yeah.
save that for when like you're out of the club at 3 a.m.
From a Chipotle. My wife cooks, dude. That's it. I go, hey, honey, what do we have for dinner? My wife and I, we've been together for, I don't know, almost 2 decades. We have never, not once in our lifetime, gone to Chipotle. Not once. So I don't know who's supporting the stock. I don't know who supports the company.
Wait, so you've never been to
I don't-
Chipotle?
No, I've never gone in there and ordered. Never.
You never
I tell
ate?
you what, I've tried something. Well, I've had it twice in my life. I know exactly when I've had it. Once for work, we had it for all the employees. We bought it for everybody. So everybody got Chipotle burritos. They brought you can get it whatever kind. They were already pre-made, and you just grabbed one and you rolled. And I was like, okay, whatever. That was a waste of money, I guess. And then the second time is my daughter. She brings home like these big bowls, I guess,
Mhm.
and she can't finish them. And she goes, here, can you finish that? And I'm like, I'm starving. And I'm like, all right, let me eat that real quick. And then I eat it, no flavor whatsoever. And then if I knew, and I know it's expensive, but if I knew she's paying, the price of AMC stock for a goddamn Chipotle bowl, no way. There's just no way.
No,
Why would I do it?
Do employees get it for free or half off, or they get a discount? Pam, you don't wish you had Del Taco. Del Taco's probably worse than Taco Bell.
Oh, no. Taco Bell's the worst. What are we talking about?
No, Del
Taco Bell's
Taco's
worse
like
than-
it's like the Walmart of the Taco Bells. Del Taco's like the
Oh, no,
worst
you're
of the
wrong.
worst. Bro, they sell
No.
tamales at freaking Del Taco. That's how I know it's bad. That's how you know the
No,
place is
no.
bad.
Let me tell you what my wife always says. My wife always says this. She goes, why are you ordering fish tacos? There's no fish around here. Why are you ordering shrimp tacos? There's no shrimp around. She's like, there's no bodies of water around here. It's not fresh with seafood. And I'm like, honey, I don't care. It tastes good. Taco Bell is the worst. Are you joking? They haven't
It's
been good
better than
since
Del Taco.
Yeah, that's
No
true.
way. No way. Do you guys remember the chili cheese burrito? It was 99 cents. It was all through. Well, Ralph doesn't remember.
No, you know what the worst is? Wiener Schnitzel. Never. I'd rather starve.
Oh, I love it.
Oh my
love it.
gosh.
Oh, the street hot dogs, the Mexican hot dogs, the Texas hot
See,
dogs.
that's different
That's why
from
I think
Wiener
I've been to
Schnitzel.
Texas. I think I've been to Texas, and I think I've been to other places because they have a bacon wrapped hot dog with like the onions and the mustard and everything. I love it. I love Wiener Schnitzel. What are you talking about? Oh, I've never had a bad meal there. Never had a bad meal.
See,
GameStop, by the way.
Del Taco even has
You should be doing
burgers.
GameStop up.
What the hell? Del Taco has hamburgers, and I heard they're good. I heard they're good.
Oh, my son orders it.
At
He
Del
orders the
Taco.
hamburger. Yeah, at Del Taco every time.
I'm telling you,
Yeah,
I've heard they're good, but I've never went.
Oh no, I've never, dude. I don't like In-N-Out, so
Oh my
I'm the
gosh.
worst. I'm the worst guy.
See, I need to
I
end it.
won't- I
If you
won't
say Del Taco burgers are better than In-N-Out, there's something wrong here.
No, well, the real problem wrong here is you have a GameStop channel and you're not talking about how it's ripping and it's going to
We're
202.62
talking about
right
Del
now.
Taco.
Yeah, I know, but still, I don't stay. I pay attention to GameStop. AMC 46.39, looking like trash, like normal, whatever. Back to the.
Hey, it had a good recovery. Look at this. We're at 43.77. It's almost up $3 off that bounce.
What was that? AMC?
A meat slushy? Yeah, that was AMC.
Oh my God! Hey, dude, are we not paying attention to eBay? Oh man, I don't know.
What's going on
I don't
with
like
eBay?
these stocks.
Oh, nice
Guys,
rebound.
CRVS, IRNT is out of this world right now. I mean, God, what are we doing? 13% up. Whew. I don't know what to do.
13%. That's all. Thought it was more.
13%. It's huge, man. You're one of those guys. You see percentages, and you're like, oh, if it doesn't go up 50%, it's not good.
Yo, Whataburger
No.
type of guy, huh?
I've never been there.
Me neither.
I've never been there, but I did. I watched Jerry Jones talk about it on Hard Knocks, and that's the Cowboys owner, and he says he will only eat it. He'll eat it, and even if it's old or cold, he will not warm it up in the microwave. He'll eat it just like that.
That's where they're losing
Just like-
games.
Oh yeah. Oh man, their burgers even cold. After being in the refrigerator, they're just great.
Oh man, I don't know what life I'm living right now. I don't know if I'm in the Matrix because I just think people throw around the word "great" too much. You know, Jack in the Box.
Oh
is great.
no. It's along the lines of cold pizza that's not like a week old in the refrigerator.
Wendy's is the best restaurant. I just want to
Oh
put that out.
God, no! Oh God, no!
Yeah, at least Wendy's tastes fresh. Like it doesn't taste like
Yeah,
McDonald's.
because they make it right there. They literally make it like when you order it. I swear to God.
Well,
I've
I
never
know
been
that,
to-
but no, I'm talking Wendy's. Wendy's, like you've been in the refrigerator for a day. No.
See, okay, hold on. Grown man time. Okay, we're all grown men here for the most part.
Speak for yourself.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm an immature
What
little shit. So
I'm just gonna tell this to anyone in this damn stream that's watching. What respectable man has leftovers fast food anything like burger
Me?
anything?
Now, how can you not
Me?
finish
How?
it? I would finish.
I have
finish.
leftover stuff I cook. I don't throw it away.
Well, Robert. So you go to a fast food restaurant, you order a value meal. Oh, I'll take a number 2, whatever.
Oh no. I normally order for like 2 or 3 people because I don't go out that much, and so I will order 2 or 3 meals. And
Because hibernating with fast food restaurants, I've had enough.
Yeah.
Is this your doomsday prepping? Yeah, hold on, guys. Before the storm comes, I'm gonna go order 5 number 1s, and I'm gonna save them.
Or like a Happy Meal.
that's gross. Yeah, exactly. I'm
Boker knows. Boker knows. He says Robert does not go to fast food ever. He's wrong on that part. I do, but when I do go, I will order 2 or 3 meals, and I'll just come back to the house and just
Hey, I'm
say,
just
fuck the world.
now. If I order 2 value meals, I eat them in the truck. They don't even make it home.
Yeah,
and then
I am like that too.
Now, the fries, the fries I'll eat because fries, cold fries that have been in the refrigerator or whatever, they suck. So I'll eat all the
No.
fries,
You've
but the
never
burgers-
tried Dino's chicken, Julian.
I don't even know what the hell that is.
That's just chicken with fries.
AEI. Am I supposed to be paying attention to that one too?
Yeah, well, it's one that's Eric's pushing. He's pumping now when he's wanting to get other people in on it.
Eric's probably a hedgy. There's one was delisted, one's listed. Let me go look at it. Is it the $3?
No. Now you're wrong on that other delisting. It's not. I mean, yes, it's delisted, but it's been converted over to GREE. They merged.
No. I'm talking about AEI has one that's delisted. The Arsenal Energy Inc. delisted. Yes, I'm talking about that.
Wow.
I'm not talking about
Spurt. He's not.
other
He's
stuff.
not talking about Spurt.
Yeah, not about support. You and your spirit. Can't take it. Yeah.
Nope.
AEI. There's 2 AEIs. One's delisted, one's listed. But it's $3. And I'm supposed to be buying this damn thing, I guess.
Yeah,
You know what, dude?
you're supposed to roll all of your retirement funds into it. From what Eric
Oh,
told
yeah,
me.
that'll
Oh,
be the day. Oh, yeah, tell that to the wife.
you can order the salad with the chicken instead of the fries. Do I look like I order salad instead of fries?
Oh man, that's funny. But honestly though, Ralph, this happens to me. So I'll be like, I have to go for a drive, right? And this
Right.
drives are long. And I literally will buy the food without telling my family that I ate. And
Oh no! I think I did that one time.
I want to enjoy food myself, like just for me. I don't care how selfish I sound.
Yeah.
I want it for myself. So I'll go order something that I've always wanted, and I order it. I eat it while I'm driving. When I get home, my wife's like, "Hey, hon, what are we gonna do for dinner?" And then I always say this. Oh, I don't care. I'm not that hungry, but I'll eat whatever. I'm watching my figure, and I'll say some crap, and then the food will come. I'll eat that whole meal, no problem, and I'm fat. And this is why I gained so much weight because I secretly am eating value meals while I'm out there on the road.
Make sure they're good
This is
value meals, right?
Oh yeah, stuff that I would never order. Stuff that like people don't even realize like I'm going all out. I'll go to Carl's Jr., which I'm not a big fan of, but they have crazy stuff that I haven't tried in a while. So I'll be like, ooh, that pepper jack jalapeno burger.
Yeah.
Let me try that damn thing. It's a $6 burger. And so the other day, oh dude, so I take my son and we go to Carl's Jr. and it's empty. My son's like, is this place even open? I'm like, yeah, son. It's just no one's ever here. I'm like, we can eat inside. Well, we eat right there. So we eat. I ordered the meal. I ordered everything and Chris cut fries. We're sitting down, we're having a good time, we're talking, and then this guy, he's dirty. His whole face is filthy, and his hands are filthy. He's like, Dad, this is the dirtiest burger ever. I was like, oh, you've never seen a Carl's Jr. commercial before. I'm sorry, hon. Son, let me tell you, these things get all over the place. If it doesn't get all over your face, it doesn't belong in your or whatever the saying is. If it doesn't get all over the place, it doesn't belong in your face. And he looks at me and he goes, no, really, Dad, this is disgusting. He looked gross eating it, dude. I couldn't eat anymore. Just watching him. So good marketing they've always had my whole lifetime. But Carl's Jr., I think they're gonna have to go out of business, dude. I don't know how they're in business. I don't know how these people make
Yeah.
money.
Every time
I
I
don't.
pass by, it's empty. It's like there's nobody
Yeah, I
there.
don't know how. Dude, I don't know how donut shops make money. I don't. Are you ready to go to school, son? We're leaving.
Oh, it's hilarious.
Oh, guys, I've kept. Hey, let me tell you, Rob and Ralph. I'm keeping you guys alive here. So, hey, Rob, I think you and I and Rob, we could actually do bell to bell and not get tired.
Because there's just so much to
But
talk about.
yeah, yeah.
Oh,
Try
we're all
being me.
over the board. I mean, geez, we could talk about anything under the sun.
Yeah, let's talk about this flooring in my house. I have hardwood floors, and yeah. No, see, I could just do that, and then there you go. We're good for an hour. Oh no, I
Y'all
can't. I
ever have
can't.
Freddy's steak burgers? I never heard of it. I don't think they have it
Never
out here.
heard of it. I don't think I'd get it out of principle because I don't like scary movies. And
Oh
Freddy
no,
Krueger.
no, no, no. Freddy's steak burgers were really good. I mean, I don't think they're better than Whataburger, but they're really good. And the custard shakes they have are
What
on
the
point.
hell? What the hell's a custard shake? Sounds like diabetes in a can. Oh,
Custard
Well, if
shake.
you have enough of, well, they are along the lines of say Steak and Shake.
oh
It's
yeah.
like,
I had that on my way
Oh.
to Vegas. I drive through the back roads and they had that in Vegas. And then I left my ATM card there, and we were like an hour away, and we had to turn around and go pick it back up. And my wife was like, "Oh my God, we just lost an hour." And all I said was, "Baby, fill back up that big gulp with all that, vodka. I don't know what she puts in it, but yeah, guys, driving to Vegas is dangerous. I just want to let you guys know on the back roads we go 120 miles an hour, whatever it is.
Oh, I've done the back
But
roads.
I love it. I love it.
Better than the
So,
traffic. Bro, if there's an accident going to Vegas, you're stuck in there for a couple hours. Because
oh,
it's
on the
all,
15? Yeah,
I think so. There's only
yeah,
like 2 lanes.
yeah. The 15. Yeah, you're going through Barstow and through the Fort Irwin.
Yep.
That's a terrible job. I'll never do it. I'll never do it.
It's
And
horrible.
the price of gas right now, guys, I hope everyone's staying home. Um, I tell you, I'm happy I have an electric lawnmower. If I had a gasoline one, it probably cost me $40 to do my grass. But the price of gas in California, $5 a gallon, no problem, and no one's batted an eye.
Mhm.
Everybody's filling up their cars. It is absolutely ridiculous.
Wait, isn't
And I'm going to drive Tesla.
Costco like cheaper gas?
Yeah, I think I got it for like 404, $3.99 one day. I
Oh
filled
my
up, man.
God,
Yeah, it was cheap. Felt good.
that ain't
But
cheap,
That ain't cheap. It's still high.
oh, $4? That's just cheap, bro.
Ralph.
Dude,
Ralph, tell him what gas prices were when you were out here.
Bro, I was
yeah,
tripping out. I saw a Shell.
yeah,
It
but
was like like $2 or something. I was like, "There's no way."
yeah, don't. Hey, guys, listen. We've all traveled. We've all been around the world. We all know Alabama, Georgia, no gas. Actually, Georgia had a crazy gas price when the pipeline got all broken up.
Oh
They were
yeah.
selling $2,500 for 4 gallons. $2,500 for 4 gallons, and the guy says, don't lowball me. I know what I have." And that's what he wrote. I was like, what? My brother, man, he was tripping. He was stuck, and he was like, man, we just go on post and we fill up on post, and then we go right back off because no one was getting gas anywhere. But he's one of the big guys for the military, so he can do that stuff. Not
Mhm.
me, man. I'm just a little guy. Look for a gas station half the damn time, and I live out in the sticks, guys. You guys don't know. I don't live in the city like I should, like a metropolis area. Even like what would they call that? Like you live in like the suburbs,
A
right?
valley.
Like I live in a nice neighborhood, but it's the only neighborhood in the middle of a desert. I promise you, and nothing around us. There's nothing else around us, but open field. So every time I do like a video, like I'm right there doing like a TikTok or I'm doing a short clip for YouTube, you'll see like farms and shit in the background because I live in like agriculture. Like there's date palm trees. It's ridiculous where I'm at. And Rob knows and you know too, yeah. So I'm right next to the casino, that one that you went to, the Augustine,
Oh yeah,
um,
yeah.
right next to Salton Sea, where there's nothing. That damn sea is you don't even go eat the fish there. But I'm just in the middle of nowhere. So being way out here, you got to make sure you have gas and make sure you have it before you ever get home because you won't make it to the gas station. So you're like, okay, I got to drive into town to go get gas. And that's every time I go to work. 15 minutes I'm driving in. 15 minutes out here is not 15 minutes in LA. I just want to put that out
Oh
there.
yeah. I don't know.
No way, dude. But hey, I love that we've been on the stream this long though, Ralph. I mean, because you normally would have checked out by now, bro. You'd have tapped out.
Third
But
an hour in.
yeah, awesome, dude. Keep it going. I'm not going anywhere yet. How about this? I'll leave when IRNT starts going down, and it's not going
I'm
down.
gonna
It's almost
short it
going to hit
then. I'm
20.
gonna short it then.
Yeah, you start doing that. AEI. I'm looking at it at 311. Man, I don't want to look at it. I want to buy it, but I'm on my other screen, and I don't want to go to because once I open up Fidelity, guys, this is a rule, and I think a lot of you guys, if you guys are out there practicing stocks and you guys are selling and buying and doing whatever,
Hmm.
try to avoid looking up your brokerage account, looking up the stocks on your own brokerage account. Like, get a different app to look up the stocks because if you're constantly having your money available to you and or an itchy trigger finger, it can be something, man. It can be just me personally. Maybe I'm just speaking for myself, but I literally don't like going into Fidelity because once I go in there, man, I'm trying to cut corners. I'm trying to figure out transfer money. Next thing you know, that money's in that black hole called my damn bank account, and
So
I'm
basically,
serious,
what
man.
you're saying is you don't open up Fidelity because you know you FOMO.
That's what I heard
Not
too.
FOMO. I don't FOMO. I just literally sit there and I go like, you know what? I got an extra grand. Let me just go get 100 shares of this damn MVRST, whatever the hell just happened. And that's what happens. And I don't like it. I don't because I don't feel right in my body where I'm like, man, I should just go buy more GameStop. I should buy five more shares. I should give 10 more shares. I should, So like I told my wife, like, what are we gonna do for her birthday, guys? I'm out of ideas. I got 5 days until her birthday, and I told her, honey, let's just go out of town. Let's just go let's go to the beach. Let's go to some nightclubs. Let's go breathe. Let's go do something that we used to do to get our bodies back. But then we start talking and we're out of breath and we're like, oh, we're not going to do that. Like, it's not going to happen. So I don't know. I'm trying to be a man of simple things, like a simple creature. I mean, yeah, I know, Ralph, you're that way. And I'm so proud of you because you're a young dude and a young man that has that simplicity in life is, oh God, it's just cherished. I tell my
Appreciate
daughter
that.
every night that she doesn't go out. My daughter is a social butterfly, right? Like all the friends, all the social media, this girl is out there. And I'm just like, hey, honey, what are you guys doing tonight? She's like, oh, you'll see about it. And so, because I'll get the alerts or whatever, I'll get like a snap or I'll see something. And because they're out drinking and having a good time. And half of her friends are my employees now. They'll work for me.
I
So
got an
I'm
idea.
like, yeah,
I got an idea for her birthday.
Oh, I'm listening.
Take her to see the Cowboys when they play the Chargers Sunday.
Yeah. Oh my God, we talked about that yesterday. I said, "Honey, let's just go get the Cowboy tickets. Let's just go to the game." And she looked at me. She goes, "It's my birthday." And I was like, "Oh, what does that mean?" She goes, "You're using my birthday to do the things you want to do." I
Well,
know.
she loves the
And
Cowboys too, doesn't she?
yeah, she does, but she won't sacrifice her happiness for my wants. Okay. I just put that out there right now. There's times where
Oh
I'm like, oh babe,
my.
we should go do this. And she's like, oh, that's what you want to do? I'm like, yeah, it sounds like it. Okay, then we're not gonna do that. It's whatever she wants to do. So that's what I have to go with. And she's got friends coming in from out of town and they were talking about having a party at the house. I'm like, dude, we just all got over COVID right now. We're trying to recover. I'm not having it. So no one's coming over. I won't let that happen. And I have a party house. Ralph, if you ever get here, okay, it's a party house. It's set up that way. The lights are installed that way. The music is set up that way. The whole house. It's what it's made for. We get, 80, 100 people, whatever we can fit in here.
You want to
And
piss
we
off
have a
your
party.
neighbors?
Oh, dude. You know how many times my neighbors called the cops on me? Like,
0?
we've had to move. Oh, no, this guy's an asshole. Remember I told you I have the guy who looks over the fence. What was his name again? The guy from Home Improvement.
I hate your damn neighbor.
Oh, no, but let me tell you something, Rob. You would be cool because you would come over, have a beer, and relax.
Talk about
This
GameStop.
dude. Oh yeah. Oh guys, this guy. Oh, GameStop's going down. No, we're good. $200, whatever. So listen, this dude. Yeah, that's all we would talk about, me and Rob. But check this guy out. This guy, this neighbor of mine. First, he introduced himself, and he's like a cool dude. Comes over. Hey, guy, how you doing? He's an older guy. He works for the school district. I don't even care if he ever hears this damn stream. I don't like the cat. I never will. I don't even say hi to him anymore. I don't even wave at him. We've been neighbors for 3 years, 4 years almost. 3 years. And so he comes home for his lunch break every day. He tells me, I come over for the same one, but the same business, but the other building, right? So we all live on the same street. There's like 4 of us. And so we all know each other. And it's to the point where we all talk and I'll be like, hey, I'm having a party this weekend. And they'll be like, oh, cool. They'll come over. Walk into my backyard, have beers, do whatever, bring the kids over for like this big ass water slide that my wife has all the time. Whatever we're doing, right? Beer pong, whatever. It doesn't matter. These dudes are doing the thing. And this guy calls the cops to say people are parked in front of his house. Like it's public parking, bro. It's the street. He's like, nope. They're blocking my view, the view of another brick wall. I don't understand. This dude is the worst. So what I do, I won't cut the grass on his side of the lawn. So like where my little patch of grass connects to his yard, because I have a big yard on the other side, but the little part that connects to his yard, I won't cut it. So it's long. It's like a goddamn it's a safari over there for a reason. I won't cut it on purpose. And so you know what he does? He tells the little guys that he pays $20 to. He'll tell them, "Hey, can you cut that patch too?" I make him cut my patch. I'm not cutting it because I don't like him, and I want his house to look crappy next to mine. So it's the kind of guy who complains about simple shit, dude. I'm telling you right now, he's the worst. I'll do
Oh
my
man.
blower. I'm the Mexican guy. I get off work and I'll get the blower and I'll just start like blowing my lawn. Like I don't know if that sounded right, but I'm using the blower. I'm spraying off the whole driveway. And so, I put all the sand and all
On
the
his
dirt and all the
car.
grass, everything in next to his car and next to his house. I just leave it there in the street. I'm like, there you go, boom, and I just walk away. And then he was out there 10 minutes later with the water hose, pushing it back my way. And I'm just like, this is it's old man, dude. I probably hurt him. I don't want to say probably. I would definitely destroy him with my bare hands, but I don't need to. He's a lonely man. It's just him and his wife in a big ass house. And then they were talking about selling. I was like, oh, sell. Get the hell
Rand,
out. Yeah, whatever.
Marantz,
I'm
Marantz,
ranting.
I want
Yes,
you to
sir.
check this out. JT
Oh, what?
Wiz goes, take her for a boat ride at Salton Sea. You want to tell him what Salton Sea is?
Oh my God. Okay, so Ralph, California History 101. Okay, the biggest body of water in California is the Salton Sea. It's like 40 miles long.
Mm-hmm.
It filled up down here when the Colorado River used to overflow. You could still see the water line along the mountains where we live. That's how much water was in the valley, and that's what created the Grand Canyon. It was not Paul Bunyan dragging his axe. It was actually water coming through the Colorado River. So you had this huge body of water out here called the Salton Sea. Everybody in the 40s, 50s, and 60s used to vacation at the Salton Sea. Sonny Bono, Cher, the whole crew. Like,
Mhm.
yeah, I don't care who you were. Bob Hope, you name it. There was a ski resort. Everybody was having a good time. It is now the most filthy body of water because it is shrinking in size. But the salt content, you stick your arm in there, you pull it out. It is gross. You can't eat more than 1 ounce of fish for a whole year, whatever it is. It's gross. Fish die there all damn time. It's just a big body of water where things are dying. And Congress passes bills every year to put millions of more dollars. This is where like those earmark bills where they're spending money on shit. Like you're like, what's that pet project of somebody's? That's
Mhm.
the pet project. The Salton Sea. It is the worst. Don't ever go. You can smell it from a mile away. This is the
Ugh.
worst body of water you could ever live next to. If you ever say, "Oh, I got beachfront property," and it's the Salton Sea, kill yourself.
I got beachfront property.
I mean, the Navy UDT used to train there, and I don't think they train there anymore. I mean,
No, no.
it is some nasty stuff. But when you sit there and look at the fence posts, you see all this
Mhm.
salt caked up on the fence posts that are actually in the water. It's just, if you want to be preserved, go there, go swimming. It's
Oh,
worse than the Dead Sea.
bros, can we talk about IRNT up 21%,
It's still moving?
28, 22? It is moving. Like what the this is where like I hate life. It's coming back up. It dipped down. It's forming a perfect cup and handle right now.
The error
That's what it's
curse.
doing.
Twitter is spiking out of nowhere. Some news? It does look
Oh
like.
man.
Wonder why. They're getting bought out by
Hey,
Baba. Yeah, right.
I haven't even read the chat once. Me too, Morant's hard to shut down Fidelity without buying. Oh, but it looks like people are paying attention. That's cool. Hey
Mhm.
guys, how we doing? Yeah, expensive gas. I don't know. I don't keep track of the chat while I'm over here talking. I'm getting ready to get out of here. We'll watch Morant's go live. Hope you join you later. Oh yeah, thanks, Long Rain. Appreciate it, bro. Um,
I'm
I
trying.
just want to thank Ralph for waking
I'm
me up.
trying to go bench.
Yeah, Ralph's like, yo, Morant's, I'm ready to go, bro.
No, he's here.
That's
Monster Buddy's
basically what he
here.
said. Yeah, that was his hint right there.
Yeah. Hey, no, can I just say one thing? Shout out to Rich Jacob. Way to join the channel and see what we're doing. Ralph is a good dude. That's the guy on this chat right here. I'm gonna pump him up real quick. Ralph's the reason why I'm on YouTube. Not because he had a bad channel. It's just he motivated me to get out here and say some stuff. And at the same token, we all became friends. We've found a way to communicate. Robert Brown was the middleman, and it worked out pretty well for everybody. We have streams. We get continuous streams, whether it be Ralph's channel in the morning, me right after. But there's a lot of good information out there that we all share, whether it be the new stocks we want to buy. Let me tell you something. If you listen to Eric, you'd be a millionaire right now. This guy has
Oh
hit two
man,
stocks, two for
more.
two. More
Actually,
than that?
He's
he's got more than two under his belt
he's got
so
like
far. He's
four
Okay.
got,
stocks that he's
yeah.
Well,
hit.
Eric's killing it. I know Kyoto's killed it for me in the past. Ravenstown too. A lot of people. We've all tried to make money, do the right thing, but the truth is, at the end of the day, it's GameStop. I don't give a shit what Ralph tells you, and I'm just going to tell you right now, GameStop until I die. That's where I'll be. But I always want to thank Ralph for the time, for the opportunity to be even on your show. It's always been a dream of mine. You know that I'm a big fan of yours. But beyond that, beyond that, my man. Cosmic Lightning Warrior comes into my channel yesterday, and he says hi, whatever he says, whatever he wants to say, and then yesterday, it's like he watches my channel, but he doesn't know what the hell I say or what I'm about,
Hmm.
because I go onto his channel and I say something, and then he goes, "Oh, Marantz, I didn't know you support that. Oh, Marantz, I didn't know," and I'm just like, dude, I know he plays a character, and I know he's like in like space or whatever,
Hmm.
but um yeah, I'm still American and I still live in this country and still have to deal with the nonsense. So, I think people, they're trying to separate the two. Like, I know even you do politically, because, I don't care. I just wear it. But,
Yeah.
it's all nonsense right now, guys. If you don't think Gavin Newsom, how do you have 46
Oh.
candidates? And I'm ready to rock, bro. I'm ready to rock because he can stay in office for all I care. Like, it doesn't matter to me at this point because the degenerate cheaters are going to cheat anyway. So I'm telling you right now, if I have the opportunity and I make a lot of money, guys, and this all works out the way I want it to, no, I'm not going to run for office. I'll never run for office. But I will say this: I'm going to try to marry AOC
Oh
because God
man.
damn, She's a good looking little lady. I don't
Okay,
like.
I got to stop you right there. I got to have you committed. I
I
really
don't
got to
like
have
her
you
voice.
committed.
I don't like what she has to say. But damn, tax the rich. I like the dress. That's all I'm gonna say. I just wanted
Tax
to end with a
rich.
joke. That's all that was. Oh man, love you guys, everybody. GameStop can't stop, won't stop. GameStop. Hey, I'm gonna be live later. Really am. I know half these guys never even heard of me, but I'm gonna be live when I get back from dropping my son off. I guess I got to take off now. I don't know what's going on.
Yeah, I linked. Thank you guys for being on. I linked Amaranth's channel in the YouTube chat. It's actually pinned at the top, so he should be live in like in what, an hour or so, or 2 hours. No,
No,
Oh,
it'd be if he's just now leaving, it's about an hour, isn't it?
yeah, it takes me about an hour to get him there, get him back, and
two
a little
hours.
longer.
Yeah.
But no, I'm gonna be live. Yeah, at least. Well, I'm gonna be live at least till the end of the bell, though. I'm gonna. But you know what, guys? I don't want to change my shirt. I'm wearing my Harry Potter shirt right now, and I'm not a Harry Potter kind of guy. My wife made me buy this shirt because when we all went to Universal, she wanted us to all be in like character. It's my wife; she always wants to like dress us up like that.
Mm.
But this is another whole story, dude. I could do this all damn day. Just talk to you guys. Whatever.
Yeah, you
Oh
do it
man.
all day on your channel.
Oh, whatever, bro. Whatever then. You just sit there. All right. All right. I love you guys, man. I'll see you guys. GameStop can't stop, won't stop. GameStop.
Let me say it.
See you around.
See you around, Grillionaires.
Yeah. Millionaires, bro. Millionaires. Don't ever try to call me an animal again. All right.
All right,
Oh
guys, that
goodness,
was
I
it.
love that guy.
Oh,
I
what a
love that
stream!
guy.
This is probably one of my favorite streams since I've been streaming. This one today, top one for sure. Robert Brown needs a YouTube channel to live stream. I have mine. Morant has his. Rob is a missing piece.
Not gonna happen.
You guys
Never
heard
gonna
it here
happen.
first. There we go. So, thank you, Rob. Thank you, Morant, for hopping on. He's gonna be live later. I'll probably see you later in his chat, Rob. So, we're gonna end it here. AMC at 45.64. GameStop at 199. It's Wednesday. And I will see you guys later on in Morant's channel. Peace out, everybody.
Later.
Peace out. I'd like to see his facial reactions to all the rants. Peace out.